paper. So how to draw the experiment, I will tell you. First, you have to take a A4 sheet paper. After that, this is the wooden board. See here. This is the wooden board. In this wooden board, you have to place the A4 sheet paper in a proper way. Then, with the help of glass slab, first you make the boundary of glass slab. Listen first, everyone. You have to make the boundary of glass slab. After doing the boundary, you have to remove the glass slab. Okay? Then you will get like this one line. The top line. The top one. For example, the top line is 10 centimeter in your scale. The middle 5 centimeter, you put one normal first. Understood? What you will do? You have to put one normal in the middle of the line, as I did. Okay? As I did. Then after putting the normal, you keep your protractor there and make an angle of your choice. It may be 30 degree, it may be 40 degree, up to you. Clear? Then put a mark. Then you put 2 pins. This is the pins. Pins will be provided. Okay? After putting the 2 pins, then again you put your glass slab. Then close one of your eye and from glass slab you have to see the refraction that it should come in a single line, the 4 pins. Okay? So I and Yashwant will be coming and telling you how to do it. Okay? When your 4 lines of the pin will be in a single line, that time you call us. When we will see, then you remove your glass slab. Then put the line. So if you have taken angle of incident as 30 degree, your angle of emergent must be 30 degree. And the line must be parallel. So this is the aim of the experiment. If your line is not parallel and you are not getting 30 degree, then your experiment is wrong. You must get 30 degree if you have taken angle of incident as 30. If you have taken 40, then here also it should be 40. Clear? Understood everyone? So no doubt we will start. So each group, there are 4 wooden like this board.